either got too much gas or it doesn't
it's
have
got
Alex
too much.
Krivitz.
So it has too much or it doesn't.
It's got way too much.
Iron Horse.
Said.
He's not going far.
For Alex, 206 feet 4 inches. 206 feet for Alex Krivitz.
Well, if you can hear the distances, read it back into the camera.
That's what I do. I can't. I didn't hear that one.
206.
Okay.
No, it doesn't matter.
No. Oh, you're about 260.
Got a good turnout of stock trucks here this
You want something
evening.
to eat?
23
Yeah,
trucks in this class.
burger or what?
23 trucks.
Yeah.
All right.
We're going to be pulling a little of everything here tonight. We have a semi-truck class. We are going to be pulling, probably for the first time ever on the Taylor track, a school bus. And we'll give you a little more information as we go about that, because all the youngsters have the opportunity to ride the school bus. And Kirsten. Good steady run there for Dan. 214 feet even. 214 feet even for Dan Jerster.
214.6.